How to make YouTube video full screen. So if you want to watch a YouTube video on your phone, so this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone, and you want to watch the YouTube video on full screen. So let's say just go ahead, play a YouTube video, then it's going to come up just like this. Now let's say you want to watch the YouTube video in full screen to cover the entire screen on your phone, whether on Android or iPhone. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to watch YouTube videos on full screen on Android or iPhone, all you just need to do is open the YouTube application. Once open it, come here, click on the U button at the bottom right. Now on the U button page, go ahead and click on the settings gear icon at the top right. On your Android or iPhone, on iPhone, while on the settings page, scroll down on your iPhone, click on playback. Then here you see zoom to full screen. Always zoom so that video will fill in the full screen. Turn this on. Now, whenever you play a video on the YouTube application, it's going to zoom the video to fill up the full screen. Now, on your Android, just come to General. Under General, you see zoom to full screen under General. Then turn on the same feature you turned on under video playback here. And then when next, you go back to the YouTube application and then open any YouTube video. So let's say just go ahead, open any YouTube video of your choice. Then the YouTube video will be played on full screen. So go ahead now, open the YouTube app, then open any YouTube video. Then it's going to play on zoom screen or full screen. So that is basically how to play YouTube video on full screen. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.